Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can make images load faster on your website. So when it comes to image optimization, then you need to focus on two things. So the first thing is that you need the images to be compressed well, and the second thing is that the images should have the exact dimension needed for your website. So if you will do focus on these two things, then you can make your images load faster on the website. So in this video we will see how we can practically do this. So first of all, we will have to go to the website. So here is the website that I was building for my client, and I am using Elementor page builder for that. So here I have opened the page builder in Elementor editor mode. So you can use any other page builder. So if you are using any other page builder, there is no problem at all. So you just need to open the editor mode, or you can just go to your website, and first of all you will have to download all of the images that you want to be optimized. So here you can see we have these 6 images that we want to optimize. So the first thing that we need to do is to do the right click on the image, and we will click on inspect. So when you will click on inspect, you will see this developer mode. So then you can go to computed, and here you will see this over here. So now when you will hover over to these numbers, then you will see the image is highlighted. So here are the exact dimension needed for your website. So we want the image to have these dimensions. So now we have opened the editor mode, and we will click on the image, and we will see what is the size of the image that we are currently using. So here you can see the width and height of the image, and you can see it is pretty larger than the required one. So we need the image to be optimized in order to make our website load faster. So we will decrease the dimensions of the image for so for that we can go to the website, and we will have to download all of the images as I said. So first of all we can download them. So to download it, you can just click on save image as, and you can download it. So here you can see I have downloaded all of the 6 images already to save your time. So now you can go to this article. I have provided the link of the article in the description. The first thing is that we can go to simple image resizer. You can just click over to this link. So here is the website that we need to use first of all. So we will select the image that we have downloaded. So the first image is here, we have uploaded that, and here you can see 2 options over here. We can resize the image by selecting a percentage over here. So if the image is like 2500 in width, and if we make it 50% smaller, then it will be like 1250 pixels in width, and similarly it will decrease the height as well. So here you can also select the dimension and enter the dimension. So if you want to enter the dimension, then you can just enter these dimension, or you can maybe just go to percentage and you can select like 75% smaller or 80% smaller. So that's what you can do. So you can use the both of the options. So I just normally use the percentage thing over here because it's easy to use, and I will just click on resize, and now we can download the image. So you can see the image is now smaller, and we can now save the image again, and we can rename. So we can save it, and now let's go back to the folder again, and now let's hover to this image. So here you can see the dimensions are now 512 and 342, and here the original one, for the original one we have 2560. So now you can see it is decreased, and here when we open the second one, that is the new one, you can see it is smaller. So that's how the image is optimized, and now we can go back to the website. So now we can go back to the website. So here is the page, and we will just go and upload the image again, or we can also use the file manager plugin. So here we can go and we can upload the new image over here. So here you can see the new size. It is also a compressed version. So that's how you can resize your images. So sometimes when you do the resizing, the image size that is in KBs, it is also very high, like in MBs or maybe 500 or 600 KB. So if it is more than like 200 KB, then you can go to the article and you can see this first link, image compressor. You can click on it and you can upload the image. So for example, if we upload the image, like this one is 600 KB, the original one, if we will upload it over here, and you can see it is 80% decreased, and the new one that we have resized is already 23 KB, so there is no need to compress that. However, if we will upload it, you can see it is already compressed one. If we will upload it, so there is no need to do that, but if they are larger in size, then you can compress them, there is no issue. So that's how we can replace all of the images on our website with the new dimensions, and this will increase your website speed. So thank you for watching this video. Do like this video and comment on this video, so this video will be shown to more viewers. So I request you to please comment, and you can subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.